Hello everybody and welcome to another Fantasy Wax Melts new releases video. Today is Friday, November 24th. It is Black Friday. Our Black Friday weekend starts at 10 a.m. So I'm uploading this video at 8 a.m. for 2 hours before, but we have had our sneak scope on Instagram as well as stuff going live on Facebook. So I am so excited to share with you our Black Friday release, our sale. There's a lot going on, a lot of information in this video, so definitely buckle up because I am so excited. Before I even get started, I just want to say thank you guys so much. Black Friday can be such a scary time for a small business because you don't know, everything is just unknown. You don't know if your sales are gonna go well, you don't know if your releases are gonna go well, but I am just so grateful for each and every one of you that are watching, that share our shop, favorite our shop, purchase, don't purchase, but like everything, comment. I just appreciate it more than you know. So let's get into the sale information. So starting today, which is Friday, November 24th at 10 a.m. Central Time, our entire shop is going to be 20% off, which includes all of our new releases, and there is a ton of new releases. So everything in the shop is going to be 20% off from today, Friday, until Sunday at midnight Central Time. Usually we stop it on Monday, but I decided to end it on Sunday this year because Monday I do have to go back to work. So I want to make sure that everything is good and ready to go. Everything, like I said, is going to be 20% off, including new releases. And just like normal, if anything does sell out, it is sold out, but we will keep an eye on our core scents because those are restocked constantly. So if you want to stock up on core scents, those should always be restocked, and those will also be 20% off as well. There will be 31 single scent snap bars available. I'm not going to list the entire list for you guys, but I will put it in the description. It is also on our Facebook group and in our Instagram. I don't know what came over me. I wanted to do single scents, and those can be anything from just like a random scent such as yellow cake or blackberry jam butter cookies, and I wanted them to be available as snap bars. They are going to be available in a limited quantity, and those will not be restocked, but I'm giving this a go because if this goes over well, I definitely would love to do single scent snap bars maybe once a month, maybe every other month. Again, I don't know what came over me when it came to 31. I had a list that was recommended to me on Facebook when I asked for pour requests, and then I went through all of my oils and I found so many great like winter Christmassy oils that I hadn't used, and I was like, I need to use these, and somehow the number became 31. So there is 31 available, and like I said, there are limited quantities, less than 20 of each. Some are even less than 10, so definitely if there is some that you're interested in, I would get your hands on those ASAP. Now let's get into our collection that is going live today. This is going to be our final Christmas collection, and I'm very excited, and it is the Grinch themed. The Grinch is one of my absolute favorite Christmas movies, and I wanted to do a full Grinch collection because we've done a Grinch collection in the past, and this year I feel like is a good year for us because we've been expanding our collections to about 12 scents. We're doing no shot cups, and so I wanted to kind of go back to collections that I've done in the past and kind of revamp them, and I felt like the Grinch was a perfect opportunity to do so. So let's get started. Up first, and this is one I am genuinely proud of, is the Grinch. And you're like, Kristen, why are you proud of this scent? You see this color, this like almost lime green? Your girl was over here doing color theory to figure out what dyes I could mix together to create a lime green. I felt like an artiste. I was so proud of this. I was so happy. This color is so pretty. So the Grinch is available in our 2-pack tarts, and it is a blend, or it's not a blend, it is Christmas Cabin type. Christmas Cabin is a freebie that I sent out with the last release, and a lot of people said they really enjoyed it. It is basically a blend of cinnamon, orange zest, cranberry, bayberry, woods. I think we've done this scent before in the past. I could not even tell you what it was called, but I think it was on our Christmas advent calendar a couple years ago. It is such a great scent. It to me smells like Christmas. Like it's essentially Christmas. The bayberry, the woods, the cinnamon. This smells so stinking good. So this is the Grinch, available in our 2-pack tarts. Go ahead and stick with characters. Up next we have Cindy Lou. I did 2-pack pink donuts. I thought these were so cute, and I'm doing a blend that I did last year. I did this blend last year for our Minnie Mouse kind of scent, and it is pink sugar and peppermint. That to me just makes so much sense for Cindy Lou Who. Pink sugar, peppermint, just all the Christmassy vibes. It is so delicious. If you love peppermint or if you love pink sugar, you're absolutely going to adore this. It's such a great wintertime scent too, in my opinion. So this is Cindy Lou. Next up we have Max, and for Max I did the 2-pack paws. Such a cute little Max. This is a blend of roasted pine cones, mac apple, and glazed donuts. Roasted pine cones was a scent that was recommended in one of our pour requests, and I had never used it before, and then I used it last collection and I realized, oh, I actually love this, so now I want to use this all the time. So I mixed it with Mac apple and glazed donuts, and it is so good. Like, so good. It's so good. Right now, to me, the Mac apple is the most prominent, but I know over time and with cure time, the Mac apple definitely becomes a really good solid like contender with the rest of the notes, and they're so good. So that is Mac's. And then I believe last for our people, we have Martha May. And for Martha May, I did the lips. Any excuse to use the lips I'm going to. I did like the bright red lips, like here. And these are pretty thick. You could probably get 4 to maybe even, if you're a generous melter, you might be able to even get 6 melts out of this. But Martha May is Amaretto Nog. This is a scent that we did last year that was so loved. Like, I had to bring it back multiple times because it was so loved. Amaretto Nog is amazing. And for me, it made so much sense for Martha May. It is so good. So that is Martha May. Next up, we have Whoville. For Whoville, I did the snowflake shape, and it's in a light blue, super, super pretty. This is a blend of peppermint bark and sugar cookies. Peppermint bark is a little bit different than peppermint, obviously. It smells a little teensy bit more like white chocolatey, so it's a little bit sweeter of a peppermint. And then you mix it with the sugar cookies. This is, do you know what this smells like? It does kind of smell like Starbucks, but it smells like a Starbucks like peppermint mocha with a sugar cookie. Oh, this smells so good. Whoville, so, so good. Next up, we have Mount Crumpet. For Mount Crumpet, I did light gray clouds. I thought that was really, really cute. For this, it is a blend of warm vanilla sugar, Palo Santo, and candy canes. I feel like Palo Santo shines with any bakery note, and then, but with like Christmas notes, it really, really slaps. So candy canes, amazing. This one is so, so good. I love this one so much. So this is Mount Crumpet. And then the rest of them are just like quotes, which I thought was kind of fun. So at first we have, well, this isn't really a quote, but it's Holiday Cheer. For Holiday Cheer, I did it in our 2-pack Christmas shapes. These come in a variety of shapes. This one in particular has a snowman and a reindeer, but there's also a sled, a couple of different Santas. I also think a couple of different snowmen as well. Holiday Cheer is a blend of brown sugar pecan and pie crust. I also think we did this one a couple years back or maybe last year as well, and it was a favorite, and it is so good. So warm, so bakery, so pie crusty. It's absolutely fantastic. So that is Holiday Cheer. This one makes me laugh. This one is called Am I Just Eating Because I'm Bored? It is in our souffles. It is a cookie souffle, so this one is the same brown cookie. Obviously it's wax, don't eat it. And then it is a dark green souffle, and I like the scent notes for this one because it's all just like delicious food, and saying am I just eating because I'm bored? Perfect. So it's cinnamon rolls, caramel cheesecake, and vanilla hazelnut coffee. Amazing. I could smell this all day. It is so, so good. So that is Am I Just Eating Because I'm Bored? Next up, we have Help Me I'm Feeling, and these are in our little gingerbread men. And this is a blend. Oh, this is a good blend. This is butterscotch, buttery gingerbread, and pretzel. A buttery bakery scent. That is so, I could breathe this in every day. This is so good. So that is Help Me I'm Feeling. Next up, we have Double Hate Loath Entirely. I started putting them on the XL snap bars on sideways just because like this is too small. So hopefully you don't hate that. But this is Double Hate Loath Entirely. It is our XL snap bar in our navy blue. This is a blend of blackberry, toasted mallow, and pumpkin pecan waffles. Pumpkin pecan waffles to me is a year-round scent. It's just so good. This is so good. So good. I cannot hate this. I cannot hate that. Next up, we have a favorite. This is 6:30 Dinner with Me. I can't cancel that again. And our dark green buns. I love this emerald green. I'm so happy that I've been experimenting with jewel tones because this is gorgeous. This is a blend of 7-Up pound cake and cupcakes at Tiffany's. I'm such a fan of 7-Up pound cake. I think it was Kirsten's fave a couple of years ago. Mixed with cupcakes at Tiffany's. That is so good. So that is 6:30 Dinner with Me. I can't cancel that again. And then last but not least, we have Christmas Means a Little Bit More in our gingerbread house shape. This is our new shape for the year. It is so cute. There's a few different options. This one's my particular favorite because it looks like Candyland. It's so cute. So Christmas Means a Little Bit More is cherry cookies, vanilla bean Noel, and sugar cookie royale. I love a good cherry bakery. And mixed with that vanilla bean Noel and the sugar cookie royale, this one's really good. It's so good. It's so good. So that is Christmas means a little bit more. It's going to be it for all of our releases today for Black Friday. Again, everything's gonna go live in a couple of hours at 10 a.m. but definitely be sure to follow our Facebook, favorite our Etsy shop, follow us on Instagram for all details. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are too. I think the names are really fun, and I hope you guys like those as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.